Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a very quick functionality proof video for power supply board Delta DPS-168JP that was purchased by a customer to replace what they say is a broken board. We've made a video on how to test this board with a lot of explanation about the individual signals and pins and very brief description of the circuitry, so I'm not going to go over that. Refer to that other video to see why what I'm going to be showing is sufficient proof for functionality. So first things first, let's make sure the board has a standby voltage. This is the leads that I'm holding. This is the standby transformer. And this is the rectifier that provides the standby voltage, which is 5 volts. So I measured that, and as you can see, we do have 5 volts ground to the output of the rectifying diode. Now, of course, that goes out to this connector. I have the jumper shorted to activate the power board, and the result of that, if the power factor correction circuit is functioning properly, should be 400 volts on the leads of those mains capacitors. As you can see, we have, I'm not making a good contact here for trying to short them. There you go, 406. 406 volts we have on that. 12 volts go to the panel. If told so by one of those pins, panel on, watch the other video or look at the table. So what I'm going to do now is measure here and press that button that we have on the connector. Ooh, that's going to be hard. Okay, give me a little more. Hold that. When pressing the button here, we will take 12 volts on the output pins that go to the panel. Ready? Oh, this has to be here. There you go. 12 volts. Button pressed, ground, last pin here. 12 volts. So that's it. That would not have happened if the power factor wasn't working, if this wasn't working, the standby, and if there was an error in the large transformer. That said, this is the unique marking on the board. I'm about to put that board was serviced, as can be seen from this resistor and a few other places. I'm going to put today's date back here, and customers can know that this is the board that they are going to be receiving. Today is 12/11. Just tested it. The common problem with those boards is usually totally dead or not producing the 12 volts that we just measured on that connector there. I have not yet seen a board that has different issues. Of course, it's possible, but if we are aware of something specific that needs to be chased, we will be chasing it. We have seen a number of those boards that either did not have any standby or were not producing the 12 volts where they should. That board is clearly functional, and it will be going to the customer. Thanks.